carp angler's knowledge consists of many things. It grows out of imagination, curiosity, bold experiment and intense observation.
Been having a few strange occurrences out there. Now they're either liners or having pickups on the bottom bait, but it's not picking the hook up as well. So I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try and neutralise the weight of the hook by fishing on critically balanced. Let's see if that makes a difference. I've been fishing particles for most of the week, fishing tigers and plastic corn and things like that over the top of particle. But we've been picking up smaller fish, so I've put out quite a few boilies just out here. Just going to see if it makes a difference and pick up a bigger fish. And I've been getting strange action, either pickups or liners, as fish coming through on the wind. I like to try and get it so it just about sinks. Sinks as slowly as you can get it. Not quite there yet. I'm very fussy about getting it to sink very slowly. The slower the better. And that's just about perfect. If it's just still floating, you can just make micro adjustments just by squeezing a little bit of the air out of the boilie as well. So, but that's just about right. Right, let's get it out and see what happens.
Oh mate, that was a giant one. It was just real slow, real big, real big. That was just such a mental slow, real slow. That was it mate, that was the outback by far I think. Biggest fish I've looked for a long time. Real slow, dead slow, just massive. Gutted.
I'm sickening grass.
Put a hole in my neck.
Yeah, sounds about right.
Yeah, I've got 2 holes in my neck.
You just went woof straight through it and I went, where's that gone?
They're so predictable, aren't they? They're so predictable.
Yeah, you have to net them and quickly pull them in.
Every single bite is beep, 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 beep. Oh, you think, oh no. I mean, impressive the way they fight, but you know, the trouble is they all look the same, don't they?
All mine ain't fought until it gets under the net. Down the side, then it goes, and you think, that's aggressive.
I won yesterday, he sort of jumped out the net, and as it came out the net, it fell out. I thought, that's quite handy.
He was telling me there's none on the islands. First fish I had down here off the island was a grass carp.
I haven't had any, every single carp I've had off the island, which is most of them, has been a carp.
Our first fish was grass carp.
If I cast in 4 or 5 foot of water, sort of round to the right, yes, well, it's not all been grass carp, but
I don't know whether they just feed a lot or there's a lot of them in here. I haven't worked it out yet.
it's dim. It's dim.
Yeah, it's supposed to be hard to catch. I can't believe that.
Righto.
But the only way they're hard to catch is if you cast up the bank. Nice and dry down here side.
Yeah. Thanks, Paul. You're having a great time.
What's the weather like up there?
One per one. You coming across, is that? Yeah.
There he is.
sort of challenge is to get them.
Line doesn't like big sharp, it's concrete.
You want one of them free spirit waterproof jackets, Si?
There we go. Oh. Good ring.
Give me 20, 23 for that, 24.
About that, isn't it?
Yep.
Nice looking fish, isn't it?
That's looking right.
Come have a look, Si.
No.
Oh,
Go on. I'll go again.
Where's that wine?
you want to see the other side of it?
You're not getting under here, you're all wet.
Really?
Come look at the other side of it.
Mind your rod.
Oh. Maybe end up with a drink there. There she goes. I need to tip my scales into drink.
Oh, that's had a bit of good.
You guys nice and dry under there?
Yeah, it's lovely over here.